everybody, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. Since my previous video was discussing briefly the MACD as an indicator, I wanted to do a quick one here regarding a trade that we sent out here on the AUD/USD, the Aussie US dollar, and this was a trade taken before the unemployment news, and it was taken at 1.0199. Okay, and we had a stop at 1.0140, and just proceeded to move that stop higher. You see the 101.70 now is the stop, and you can see it's important not to have such a tight stop during news numbers like this, because you could just see kind of they blew through this area, which was a support level. We had the 101.80 that we discussed in our Forex trading room today extensively, and that was drawn on another charting system, but I have this very clean, simple charting system up today just to kind of show an example for this indicator called the MACD. Really easy to use. I use this in combination with about 4 or 5 other indicators, though. I'll never just solely utilize this, though some people do. But I wanted to point out, we talk about the crossover which occurred down here at this level, okay, and we had that on the 1 hour chart. We moved up, and you could just see right here these two momentum bars. Again, this is just standard in this particular software for this broker. And 1, 2, we blew up through the 5 period. We had our 20 period crossover here, so the 20 period crossover came right here. Alright, if we move down, we'll see that the MACD was already open, so basically it would have got you in earlier, way back here. And if we just solely would have relied on the crossover here for the Aussie US dollar, we would have had an entry still of 101.98, 101.99. Now, I took this earlier. You can see that little cone-like blue arrow. That was my entry back here. Okay, so my entry was in between the entry on the crossover for the moving average and the crossover for the MACD. So again, developing your trading style, I think, is essential. Match it with your personality. Needless to say, in our Forex trading room, we go over an extensive array of various different support and resistance levels that, in my opinion, are key to successful trading, more so than any indicators. Alright, so once again, MACD, you can see it has some nice clear signals. Alright, now let's say you took this, it's a bullish crossover. Okay, you would have gotten out right here in this next crossover. Nothing significant, probably a break even. So again, lagging indicator, mixed signals, but I wanted to just show you some of the basics and how this MACD did indeed match up with a Forex signal that we are in at the moment, long Aussie US dollar. Here in Asian session, it's 10:34 New York time. If you'd like more information, check out FXLiveDayTrading.com and check out our MyFX book account, which is a third-party verification website that verifies our trading history. Take care, everybody.